Most people think they have a motivation problem. But the truth is, they actually have a morning problem. Because the way you start your morning quietly decides how the rest of your day will go. Think about it. You wake up. You grab your phone. You scroll through messages. You check social media. And before your brain even wakes up, you've already filled it with stress, comparison, and distraction. Your mind goes from zero to chaos in the first 5 minutes. And then people wonder why they feel tired, unfocused, and unmotivated all day. But here's something most people don't realize. Your brain is extremely sensitive in the first 20 minutes after waking up. During that time, your brain is deciding how alert you will feel, how focused you will be, how disciplined your decisions will become. In other words, your morning doesn't just start your day. It programs your brain for the next 16 hours. And most people are programming it the wrong way. But fixing this problem is surprisingly simple. You don't need a complicated morning routine. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. You don't need 10 different habits. You just need one powerful rule. Protect the first 20 minutes of your morning. No phone. No news. No social media. Instead, give your brain clarity before chaos. Take a short walk. Stretch your body. Write down the 3 most important things you want to accomplish today. Or simply sit quietly and plan your day. It sounds simple. But that small moment of control changes something powerful in your brain. Instead of reacting to the world, you start leading your day. And that small shift builds something bigger. Better focus. Stronger discipline. Clearer decisions. Because successful people don't just work harder. They start their day more intentionally. And over time, those intentional mornings create intentional lives. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your phone, pause for a moment. Because the first decision you make after waking up might quietly decide the direction of your entire day.